Afternoon, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Leicester this afternoon. We've got a rather nice BMW 320d, 148,000 on the clock on this one. It's a 2010 model. The owner's had it a few years now. He's looking to get it back to former glory. Going to do some work on this to get it running nice and smooth and quiet. First step, get us to do a diagnostic on it. It's recently had brake pads done, but I think there's an issue with one of the sensors on the front axle. A couple of codes that are to do with the brake vacuum sensor and the brake pad wear plausibility front axle. They're stubbornly staying on. They're not going anywhere. DPF regeneration looks fine on this. It's last regenerated what was it, 105 miles ago. Coolant temperature's perfect on this. The thermostat's looking good condition. Back pressure's nice and low on the DPF. All the glow plugs are working as well. So no issues there. The only issue appears to be with the front axle, the brake vacuum sensor and the pad wear plausibility. So it needs to get that looked at. Otherwise, running pretty nice. There's a bit of chain rattle on this one, but not as bad as some we've heard. Given the mileage, it's pretty normal for what's on this one. Otherwise, it just needs a clean. So this one, we're about halfway through. About another maybe 20-25 minutes to go, and then get this back out on the road.